What's up guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add text in your Google slide presentation. So if you're on Google Slide and you want to add text on a sheet, just simply go ahead and go to insert from the many options here and you'll find text box. Simply click on the text box and you want to go ahead, and once you click in that, you'll see like a plus appear on the sheet, and all you have to do is just draw the text box. Once you draw that, you'll be able to write in that text box, and as you can see, once it appears, you have all the text let's say options here available. You have the text options or the text buttons that you can use to edit the text. So if I'm going to write title, for example, you can see that I can highlight the text, I can change the font style, I can put it to whatever I want, right? I can choose something, I can make it bold, I can increase the size to whatever I want, I can basically center it, align it, whatever I want, guys. So if you're looking for how to add text, this is how you do it. You go ahead and you insert a text box, and then from there you can add the text and you can basically make it larger or smaller. You get the general idea, right? So that's how to go ahead and actually that's how to go ahead and add text into Google Slides. Very easy and very simple. Hope you find this useful, and if you do, give this video a like, let me know in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.